Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I am Gandharva. Thanks for sharing these videos. Please continue to do so. Let people know about the vibes that they have inside of them and the vibes of every day. If you're able to contribute, that's greatly appreciated as well. So today is Friday, almost I think my favorite day of the week. Why? Because, well, it's my spiritual day and I seem to feel the best on Fridays. Friday is the day of the idealist vibration, the idealist personality. All about the senses, all about love, romance, but in the spiritual realm. Even the senses, looking at the senses in a spiritual way, using them in a spiritual way. So in the East, it would be called Raja Yoga, the kingly path. And I'm going to read today from someone who had this in their spiritual area, and that was the French writer Anais, who also had a deep connection with the writer Henry Miller, who was also a Raja Yogi, was also an idealist spiritually. No wonder they had the kind of connection that they did. Many times, people who have the same spiritual path, the same spiritual personality, vibration, vibe together. You know, they feel like they've known each other forever. It's a very special part of compatibility in a blueprint, to have a spiritual connection like that. So I'm going to read from her today. I'm going to play the vibrations of the day as well. We don't see things as they are. We see them as we are. Wow. Very powerful statement. And right in line with the blueprint. That the idea that since we're all so different, we're all so unique with our blueprints, that we see things in many different, we see things in our own way, basically, which is neither good nor bad, right nor wrong. It's right for us, though, how we see things, but others will not see things the same. Love dies a natural death. It dies because we don't know how to replenish its source. It dies of blindness and errors and betrayals. It dies of illness and wounds. It dies of weariness, of witherings, of tarnishings. That's very sad, because as a Raja Yogi, as a spiritual romantic, you want love to last forever. That's how we look at it. And we're looking for that spiritual partner. So it's sad when things end like that. Very sad. Very spiritually draining. After breakups in relationships, I have gone years feeling spiritually out of whack, much less physically, because the spiritual and any of the other areas of life affect the physical body too. So. I, with a deeper instinct, choose a man who compels my strength, who makes enormous demands on me, who does not doubt my courage or my toughness, who does not believe me naive or innocent, who has the courage to treat me like a woman. Each friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not born until they arrive. And it is only by this meeting that a new world is born. I am an excitable person who only understands life lyrically, musically, in whom feelings are much stronger as reason. Wow. Understands life lyrically, musically. This is a Raja Yogi. This is a spiritual idealist speaking here. I am so thirsty for the marvelous that only the marvelous has power over me. Anything I cannot transform into something marvelous, I let go. Reality doesn't impress me. I only believe in intoxication. Oh boy, yeah, for the Raja Yogi. In ecstasy. And when ordinary life shackles me, I escape one way or another. No more walls. No more walls. No more walls, Gandharva souls. No more walls.